Hi guys, I'm Mario. Today we're going to talk about how to enter the new page experience on the Facebook business page. It's very simple and easy, so let's get started. To enter a new page experience, we need to upgrade our Facebook app to the latest version. So we open the App Store you're using, we type Facebook. Here, if you see instead of open upgrade, you tap on it, otherwise just tap on open. Here we open our profile by typing at the top right our profile picture. Now right next to our profile picture and our name there is all the pages we're controlling, so we tap on them and here just select one of the pages. That will switch the profile. Now we tap on our profile picture at the top right and see your page. Here is the new page experience. If you don't see this option, tap the link at the top of this video